family, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. If you are a returning subscriber, I would like to say thank you very much for your support, and please leave a comment down below of idea videos that you would like me to do. And if this is your first time here, well, welcome on board. In this video, I will show you how you can convert audio files to text to save you time and money. I will show you a free way of automatically transcribing your audio with no limits, and how to manually check for punctuation errors without paying anything. Now, in order for you to do this, the first thing you have to do is download a virtual cable for free by going to VB Audio site. Once on there, click on Audio Apps. An overview of this cable is that it is a virtual audio cable or audio device which works as a virtual audio cable, such that all the audios coming in the cable input is forwarded to the cable output. And what's great about this is that we can use Google Docs Detect to automatically transcribe any file. All you have to do is say exactly what you want Google to transcribe. If you have no idea of how to use Google Docs Detecting tool, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will do a tutorial showing you how to do it. Now, for us to start using this virtual audio cable, we will just have to press play the audio, and Google Docs will automatically transcribe it for us. This makes our work more easy and less stressful. So go ahead and download the VB audio cable for either Windows or Mac. It all depends on the laptop or desktop that you are using. Locate the installed file on your computer and right-click on it and go on Extract Files and click OK. After all the files have been extracted on your computer, go ahead and locate the one you have to install. Now, if you are using a 64-bit computer, you have to install the one suitable for it, and for any other computer, install the VB cable setup. Once that is done, run it as administrator, and then you will click on Install Driver. Point to note is that you have to make sure that you run it as administrator, otherwise it will not allow you to install it. Now, carefully understand the process before you go on and download it, because it will change your output speaker to a virtual cable. But in this video, I will show you how to change it back as well, so just watch the video to the end. So after you finish installing it, it will bring a message that says installing successful. You might reboot your system to finalize installation. From here, you are going to go to your Windows system tray and click on the sound icon. From there, you're going to go to Open Sound Settings, and under the Sound tab, you change your output to cable input, and it should be done automatically after installing it. Now, for you to go back to hearing from your speakers, you simply click on speaker, or if you are using headphones, click on headphones or any device choice that you want. After this step, we are going to go to Google Docs, and like the virtual cable, Google Docs is also completely free. All you need to have is a Google account. Open a blank page and click on Tools Voice Typing. After that, open the file you want to work on so that Google Docs can automatically transcribe it for you. You will see a microphone and click on it, then press play on the file you want Google to automatically transcribe for you. And wait till Google is done transcribing it. Make sure to click play on the file first and then click on the microphone. You will see that it transcribes very fast and easy. But that doesn't mean you just copy and paste. No. You have to go through it manually to check for spelling and grammatical errors that can possibly be there. This same method can be used if you are using Microsoft Word. All you have to do is create an account on office.com for absolutely free. After creating an account, go ahead and launch Word and open a blank document. Next, click on Detect and choose Allow to allow your microphone to be used by the website. Next, click on Settings and choose your preferred language and select your microphone at the output cable. For accurate grammar, make sure to turn on automatic punctuation and press Accept. From there, press play on the file you want to work on and also the microphone icon, and trust me, it will transcribe everything from the audio very easily. From here, we are going to copy and paste it into Grammarly as a plain text so that it can pick up as many errors as possible. And remember, you can also use Grammarly for absolutely free. Now, to change back your audio settings to how they were originally, click on the speaker icon and go to sound settings and change it from there, and your computer will be restored to the way it was. Now, if you want to know how to download audio files from any websites, go and watch my video about how to pass Transcribe Me test in 2022. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done it. Leave a comment down below of what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.